48 kW genset.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
48 kW genset. Error code 2760 battery problem. What is code 2760?
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
Brand new install.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Installed genset 2 weeks ago with hooking up transfer switch. This past Friday installed ATS and when re-energized service code came up. Thought maybe since battery had sat for 2 weeks it needed charged. Sat all weekend code won't clear.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is I am going to assist you with this. What are the model number and serial number of the genset?
Model #RG04854 Onyx serial ##. Have warning light says battery trouble. It says see code 2760. What is code 2760?
Code 2760 means that either the battery voltage has dropped below 12.5 VDC, or even after a full 26-hour charging cycle, there is still a current draw on the battery greater than 600 mA.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.